Today's topic we are discussing with you. This is the class 10th level chapter, and the chapter name is the quadratic sort. And this chapter is an important for the board exam as well as the competitive exams. At first we are giving some information about this chapter. After that we are discussing some example of this chapter.
There are two types of sort is there. One is pure, another is mixed.
If we give some example of pure, this will be the pure. This will be the pure. And now we are moving to the next mix. This will be the mix. Now like and unlike. Under the root, all are root 3. So when the under the root number is equal, and this will be the variable or not, does not matter. When only we are concerned about this number. This is a root 3, root 3, root 3, root 3, root 3. So root under 3 is there. That is why these alls are called like
Sort, and this is unlike sort.
ones. Here root 3 and root 2 is not equal. That is why these two terms are to the difference of root 3 and root 2. These two are called unlike.
Sort.
So in that section we are discussing the like and unlike. Like is this one. All the root number is the same. It should be same or different, does not matter. And unlike terms means under the root number is not the same. Now we are discussing the rationalization and rationalizing factor. We are discussing this with an example. Suppose 2 plus root 3 is a mixed
Sort.
then the rationalizing factor will be 2 minus root 3 is a rationalizing factor will be 2 minus root 3 or minus 2 plus root 3. So we are finding two rationalizing factor. Now rationalizing factor is this one. Now if we and among these two, one is called conjugate, another is called the simple rationalizing factor. So these two are the rationalizing factor. Among these two we can say this will be the conjugate. Two plus root 3. So in this discussion we can see these are the conjugates of 2 plus root 3, and this is the only rationalizing factor. So there are two among the two rationalizing factor, one is conjugate the given rationalizing. Suppose x is equal to root 7 plus root 3 divided with root 7 minus root 3 and xy is equal to 1. Then show that x square plus xy plus y square divided by x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 12 by 11. Now according to given informations, we can write x is equal to root 7 plus root 3 divided by root 7 minus root 3 and xy is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 by x. That is, this will be reciprocal. So y is equal to root 7 minus root 3 divided with root 7 plus root 3. If we want to find x plus y, then we get root 7 plus root 3, root 7 minus root 3 plus of root 7 minus root 3 divided with root 7 plus root 3. Now calculating we get and after After mode calculating, we get this will be a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. So formula is 2 into a square plus b square. Similarly, this is the a plus b and this is the a minus b. So this will be a square minus a b square. So a square minus b square formula is there. Now calculating, we get 2 into 10 divided with 4. This will be the 5. Now we are finding the x square plus xy plus y square divided with x square minus xy plus of y square. Now we are adding 2xy, then we get x square plus 2xy plus y square minus of xy, and x square plus 2xy plus y square minus of 3xy. If we calculating these two parts, then we get minus of xy. Similarly, 2xy and minus of xy, after calculating, we get plus of xy. Now, x square plus 2xy plus y square is a formula of x plus y whole square. And this is the minus of xy. Similarly, this one x plus y whole square is there, and this will be the minus of 3xy. Now, putting the value of x plus y is a 5 and xy is equal to 1. We get 25 minus 1 and 25 minus of this one. Now calculating, we get 12 by 11, which is our equation result. Suppose root 7 plus 1 and root 5 plus root 3 is given, and which is a getter of among these two. According to given information, root 7 plus root 3, if we square this part, then you get 7 plus 1 and 2 root 7 into 1. That is 8 plus 2 root 7. Similarly, root 5 plus root 3 whole square is equal to 5 plus 3 and 2 root 5 into root 3. Then this will be 8 plus 2 root 15. Since getter of this one, dear student, subscribe the channels for more information. Since root 15 getter of root 7, so we can say root 5 plus root 3 is getter of, this is a getter one, this is a getter of root 7 plus of 1, which is our equal result. Hope the given information and example will help you to understand this chapter. And in future, when you practicing, this video will help you to understand this chapter better.